the nominees for the best sketch in a comedy...
Mad TV.
Oh, I got confused.
This is Nicole Sullivan.
And this is Alex Borstein. We're on Mad TV, and we're glad you're here tonight, and we have a really, really special treat for you.
It's amazing,
yeah.
is what it is.
Yes. Please put your hands together for the one, the only, La Bamba!
Señor La Bamba. Me llamo es Alejandra y tengo mucho hambre. ¿Sí?
Listen, first of all, my name is Lou Diamond Phillips.
Oh. ¿Cómo está, señor Lou Diamond Phillips?
I speak English.
That's very good, because while that sounds very impressive, our Spanish is a little rusty. Yeah.
Your Spanish sucks. And, James, I'm sorry. I'm having second thoughts about this.
Oh, no, you shouldn't have second thoughts. We love you. Doesn't everyone love La Bamba?
People coming up to me in the street going, la 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 bamba. No! You know? I was on Broadway, man. I'm an action. Listen, you guys, stop singing this song. Stop singing this song. You're gonna get some of the real Lou Diamond. You hear me?
Guys, he's right. We should really appreciate him for the man he is. The man who was in Dances with Wolves! Yeah!
No, I was in Young Guns. I was in Young Guns. That's it! That's it! You hear me? I'm sick of this! That's right, you can call me Kabong now. You want some? Huh? Play another note.
Okay, so stick around. We got a great show.